Would you buy a pair of inexpensive clip-on earbuds with built-in AI translation? Or how about a pair of flagship ANC headphones for less than half the cost of Sony or Bose's cans? Now, if that sounds right up your alley, then you'll want to check out what EarFun has in store for this year. The company has partnered with us at CES 2026 to preview some of their latest audio offerings, which are geared for people who want great sound but don't want to spend a fortune. First off, we've got the EarFun Clip 2, which the company claims is the world's first high-res comfort ear clip earbuds with built-in AI translation. As its name suggests, the Clip 2 utilizes a lightweight ear clip design. Now, this allows the earbuds to sit outside of your ear canals, helping you enjoy long listening sessions without that weird in-ear pressure feeling that you might get with traditional closed earbuds. Also, with that clip design, you'll be able to stay aware of your surroundings while being able to jam out to your favorite music, which is perfect for use on your morning commute, while you're at the office, or while walking about outdoors. The EarFun Clip 2 is constructed with soft, skin-friendly materials to reduce pressure and fatigue, and the company has also redesigned the acoustic nozzle with an elliptical sound port. Now, while this design tweak may seem minor, EarFun claims that this larger reshaped outlet should help improve sound dispersion and create a wider perceived sound compared to their previous open-ear products. Now, of course, the highlight feature of the EarFun Clip 2 is its built-in AI-powered translation feature, which is accessible through the EarFun Audio app. Now, this system enables real-time speech-to-text translation, allowing you to more easily communicate with people who speak different languages from you. I can see this being really convenient when you're traveling, while you're in a business meeting, or just for use in everyday conversations. This is a feature we've been seeing pop up on more and more earbuds lately, so it's nice to see that EarFun is starting to introduce AI translation on earbuds that cost less than $80. Now, besides the AI translation feature, EarFun is also claiming some upgrades to the audio thanks to the use of 12mm dual magnetic titanium composite dynamic drivers, which should deliver fuller and richer sound compared to earlier versions of this product. Now, for taking calls, the Clip 2 uses a new quad microphone system with enhanced noise cancellation. The mic array is powered by a new audio chip, which EarFun claims should improve vocal clarity and noise rejection during calls. Other notable specs include high-res audio and LDAC codec support, 3D surround sound virtualization, Bluetooth 6.0 with multi-point support, Google Fast Pair support, IP55 dust and water resistance, and up to 40 hours of battery life when topping up with the charging case. EarFun says that the Clip 2 should be available sometime in March 2026, and it will be available for $79.99. Now, if you're someone who would rather tune out the world without breaking the bank, then EarFun also has you covered with this next product. The EarFun Wave Pro X is the company's flagship over-ear ANC headphones for 2026 that promise a lot of premium features, but without the premium price tag. Now, the Wave Pro X features an advanced hybrid ANC system that is built around a mix of feedback, feed-forward, and adaptive microphones, and is powered by Qualcomm's QCC3095 chipset. Now, according to EarFun, their engineering team has spent nearly 2 years developing and tuning the ANC system to block out as much noise as possible without compromising sound quality. Speaking of sound, the Wave Pro X uses both a 40mm diamond-like carbon driver and a 10mm liquid crystal polymer driver in each ear cup. And according to EarFun, this unique configuration should allow each speaker driver to focus on specific frequency ranges and should contribute to improved detail when listening to music. In terms of connectivity, the Wave Pro X uses Bluetooth 6.0 to connect to source devices. The headphones have a high-res audio certification and support several high-quality audio codecs, including aptX Adaptive, aptX Lossless, and LDAC. Additionally, connectivity features include LE Audio and built-in Auracast support. Now, to give you an idea of why these specs are impressive, if you consider flagship headphones from Bose, Sony, or Apple, those headphones use older Bluetooth standards like Bluetooth 5.3 and 5.4, and rarely do you ever see high-end headphones support LDAC and aptX at the same time. That being said, it's nice to see EarFun offering such a wide number of connection options while keeping the headphones at an affordable price tag. Other notable features include an 8-mic array for taking calls on the go, a spatial audio feature called Theater Mode for a more cinema-like listening experience, ultra-low latency mode for gaming, USB audio support, and up to 100 hours of battery life, which is quite impressive. The EarFun Wave Pro X will be available in June 2026 and will cost just under $130. But what do you think of EarFun's latest releases? Which do you have your eyes set on? Let us know in the comments down below. And thanks again to EarFun for partnering with us to check out their latest releases, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our full coverage of CES 2026. Until next time, happy listening.